of recording this video, these are the stats of Shiba Inu token. But before we dive into Shiba Inu completely, let's clear up some history so this will help us to understand the Shiba Inu in a better way. Back in 2013, a Dogecoin was created by two software engineers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer, who decided to create a payment system as a joke, in order to make fun at wild speculation in the market of cryptocurrency followed by the success of Bitcoin. After the creation of Dogecoin, it caught an attention of many people, eventually forming a strong community that believes in a coin that was made as a joke. Looking at the strong community support, Elon Musk mentioned pretty frequently about Dogecoin on its Twitter handle, as a result, boosting its popularity in recent years. In 2020, Shiba Inu was created by an anonymous person named Ryoshi. Even though Shiba Inu didn't see the growth initially, Elon Musk decided to tweet about Shiba Inu on his Twitter handle. People took that as a sign of opportunity to make money. This is a prime example of how volatile cryptocurrency market can be, which can easily be influenced with a single tweet. Developers of Shiba Inu then gave literally half of the Shiba tokens to Vitalik Buterin, creator of Ethereum. Vitalik burned 90% of token and donated 1 billion Shiba Inu token to India COVID Relief Fund. So let's understand the basic difference between Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is a token and not a coin. To put that in perspective, Dogecoin is a blockchain, assuming everyone here understands what blockchain is. Therefore, Dogecoin is a blockchain like Bitcoin, like Ethereum, and these blockchains have their own coin. Bitcoin is a coin for Bitcoin blockchain, Ethereum is a coin for Ethereum blockchain. But when it comes to the Shiba Inu, it's not a coin but a token that is based on Ethereum and does not have its own blockchain. In other words, Shiba Inu works on an Ethereum platform. Therefore, it is not a coin but a token which performs and acts like a coin. Shiba Inu promotes itself as a Dogecoin killer. And why does it do that? The simple answer to that, it offers an upgrade that has ability to do more things than just send money back and forth. For example, create more tokens. On the other hand, this is not possible to do same things on Bitcoin or Dogecoin. Basically, it serves the community better compared to Dogecoin. And that is why it is called a Dogecoin killer. It features the same dog which became meme and aims to replicate Dogecoin's success of turning a joke into money-making machine. The token has gained some popularity in recent months, especially since it was listed on the leading currency site Coinbase. Shiba Inu are cryptocurrency tokens which allows users to hold trillions of them. Shiba Inu has its decentralized exchange, which consists of Shiba Swap and two other tokens which are Leash and Bone. Shiba Swap token allows users to trade within the cryptocurrency without any mediator, thus lowering down its fees and transaction, making it easier for community overall. Leash is a second token in Shiba Inu ecosystem, which was created to destroy Dogecoin, but since then, the goal behind creation of this token has changed, and now it is used in the form of storing the value, with total supply of only 107,646 tokens. On the other hand, Bone token is a governance token where the owner of this token will have a say in decision making involving future decision of Shiba Inu tokens. There are other tools like Dig, NFTs, Berry, Swap, Bonefolio, Wolf, but we're not going to discuss them in this video since they deserve a separate video in a form of tutorial. Many of you wondering why is that the price of Shiba Inu is $0.0000545 and not like penny or a dollar. For example, Bitcoin. One Bitcoin costs $66,133. If you decide to invest about $600, you will own 0.01% of Bitcoin. Human psychology works in a way that will freak out normal person with the thought of buying only 0.01% of Bitcoin in exchange of $600. So basically interpreting,
oh my god, I'm spending $600 in exchange of just 0.01% of Bitcoin. That makes no sense.
we call this unit bias. Keeping that in mind, Shiba Inu developers understood that and hence deliberately set up a price of Shiba Inu in a way that will make you feel better about yourself for owning more for less money. So now when you invest $600 in SHIB tokens, you end up owning around 11 million SHIB tokens. So next time when someone asks you how many SHIB tokens you own, you can literally impress them with the number of tokens you have. The question is, should you invest in Shiba Inu? Instead of giving you a direct answer in one word, I would rather explain you cryptocurrency market, and by the end of this video, you will be able to make your own decision. Cryptocurrency is high risk and high reward investment. Here, I'm not talking about any particular coin, rather I'm helping you understand the nature of cryptocurrency market. It's a type of investment on which you have absolutely no control over. If you cannot influence the investment, you cannot depend on it for its success. Cryptocurrency has very little underlying foundation compared to other conventional investments like stocks, gold, and real estate. These investments are predictable and can be measured based on the market situation with the help of qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Bitcoin, for example, has little but increasing qualitative and quantitative data. For example, more wallets and more users came into Bitcoin ecosystem. Countries are accepting Bitcoins as a means of transaction. The acceptance is slowly increasing, at least in case of Bitcoin. But it is not easy to analyze the investment compared to conventional investment. I'm not against the cryptocurrency. If you have high propensity to lose money, then nobody is stopping you to invest in crypto. I would rather suggest you, before you invest in any cryptocurrency, learn and educate yourself and then take a step forward.
Well, Warren Buffett once said people are buying into Bitcoin not because it has a substance in it, but people are buying because there is a hype being created around it. If you buy something that you don't know about it, it is basically called gambling and not an investment. In cryptocurrency market, your investment can literally go up and down with the blink of an eye.
Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice and should not be taken as financial advice. Just watch this for entertainment purpose only. Speaking of Shiba Inu, my approach to Shiba Inu would be, I would rather spend an amount of money, if I want to of course, which I can afford to lose. For example, I allot myself $100 every month to go out and eat in restaurant. So instead of going out and eat in restaurant for that month, I would rather spend that money, let's say in Shiba Inu for example. For me, losing that $100 is not a big deal because I can afford to do so. So even if I tomorrow spend that money eating out or put in a cryptocurrency, for me it doesn't really matter. So my approach would be, I would just spend amount of money that I don't really mind throwing off in a garbage, for example. So technically, that's my approach. One must only put an amount of money that he or she can afford to lose.